Hi Tia.
Hi, Mom.
Do you want to see a magic?
Yeah.
The
but
science
what's
magic.
This for?
Yes, this is for the magic. I will show you a magic today. Can you see the 3 glasses?
Yeah.
Out of 3, 2 are having the colored water
Yes.
and the middle one is the empty, right?
Yeah, it's empty.
And with the magic, what I will do, I will fill the middle empty bottle with the colored water of 2 bottles.
How?
I just need a bit of your help here. Can you please help me?
Yeah.
Just take the 2 tissue papers, roll them.
Okay.
I have already done it for you, yes.
So, what do I have to do now?
Then you have to make a bridge between them.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay. This one. And now the other one.
Yes.
And the other one.
And spell a magic for me.
Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo.
And wait.
What's this? Nothing's
Magic.
happening.
No, magic takes time. This is the science magic.
This science magic takes time.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it now. Please don't touch it. And wait.
Wait a second. I can't see anything here. Wait a second. Look over here.
Yes.
I
The
think
water
this
is
a gradient.
coming.
The water is coming. When does it come inside with the help of these?
Yes.
Oh, so the tissue paper soaks the colored water and break it into a gradient into this glass.
Yes, you are somewhat right. Do you want to know the science behind it? Meanwhile, it fills the middle glass.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, the science behind it is the capillary action.
Capillary action? What's capillary action?
Yeah, capillaries are basically the very narrow pipes. I mean, the very narrow.
Holes.
Do you know our bodies do have the capillaries?
I didn't know that.
Yeah,
Thanks.
because you're too small right now to know them. But yes, our bodies have the capillaries.
Hmm.
I will tell you more examples of capillary action. But capillary is the narrow
So,
pipes through which the liquid flows without any external force. Like there is no external force, like gravity
So
works in there.
so isn't straw one capillary?
This is not straw. Straw holes are bit broader than capillary. Capillaries are the very narrow holes.
very narrow.
Very
like
yeah.
This much?
And they automatically, like you can see, they are sucking the water from the
Yeah.
glasses and they are absorbing the water.
Yeah.
And after few minutes you can see.
This one's not working.
Let's wait for the few minutes, guys, then we will be back
Yeah.
with the result.
Hey guys, welcome back. Look, there's a little bit of water filled in the empty glass. See?
And Tia, how much time it took?
It took
Almost 3 hours, right?
not almost 3 hours, almost 4 hours.
No, 3 hours. It's been the 3 hours we have, set up the experiment. And guys, it's not one click away thing. This experiment needs time.
Yeah.
The kids see in other video that it's just happening in a click way.
Yeah.
So I can say all the kids over here that this experiment needs time. So you please be patient with your mom and dad and do this experiment. It's really good experiments. The science behind it is the capillary action. That this tissue here is act as a capillary. Capillary is the very narrow. Don't touch it, please, bacha. The capillaries are very narrow tube-like thing in which the liquid flows without any external forces.
Such as gravity.
Yeah, such as gravity. And the examples for such capillary action is the how root absorbs water from the soil.
Yeah.
Because roots are also
Roots
you can
absorb the water from the soil and bring it to all the parts of
part
the
of the plants, and the mechanism which roots
Use is also capillary action.
Yes. So hope you guys like our experiment.
Yeah, if you liked it, please subscribe my channel on T Asterix. Bye. See you in the next video.